Welcome to my channel. In the world of luxury SUVs, one name stands above all others, the legendary Land Cruiser ZX. Built by Toyota Motor Corporation, this vehicle is not just a machine, it is a symbol of power, durability, and prestige. From the very first look, the rear design of the Land Cruiser ZX captures attention. The bold LED taillights shine with confidence, while the strong body structure reflects its powerful DNA. The ZX badge represents the highest level of luxury and performance in the Land Cruiser family. But the true beauty of the Land Cruiser ZX is not only in its design, it is in its purpose. This SUV was built to conquer every road on Earth. Whether it is rough desert terrain, steep mountain paths, or smooth city highways, the Land Cruiser ZX performs with complete confidence. Its powerful engine delivers exceptional performance, while its advanced suspension system ensures a smooth and stable ride. When you step inside, the experience changes completely. The cabin welcomes you with premium leather seats, modern technology, and a peaceful environment. Every detail is designed for comfort and luxury. The advanced infotainment system, digital display, and smart features make every journey enjoyable and effortless. Safety is another reason why the Land Cruiser ZX is respected worldwide. With advanced safety features, strong body structure, and intelligent driving systems, it protects its passengers in every situation. For decades, the Land Cruiser has built a reputation of trust. From deserts in the Middle East to busy streets in modern cities, it has proven its strength and reliability again and again. Owners don't just drive it, they feel proud of it. This vehicle is more than transportation. It is a statement of success. It represents confidence, strength, and leadership. When people see the Land Cruiser ZX on the road, they immediately recognize its presence. It doesn't need to prove anything. Its legacy already speaks for itself. In the end, the Land Cruiser ZX is not just an SUV. It is a legend. It is a symbol of power. It is the true king of roads.